Hi, what's up guys, how's it going? So if you are new to this channel, kindly smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you, and I appreciate you for having interest in another video of mine. And also, if you are one of the people that are trying to look for a way to pay for Canva Pro, I want to congratulate you, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can actually go about it. And at the end of the day, I believe you'll be able to pay for Canva Pro all by yourself without you relying on anybody or have someone actually sending link to you so you can actually join, and after a month the link expired and you'll be running enter scatter from one place to another to get another link. So I actually understand, and I've been in that kind of situation before as well. So in this video I'm gonna be walking you through how to go about it, and I believe at the end you're still gonna appreciate what I'm trying to bring to you, because this is actually amazing and a best offer which of course you might not get anywhere. But literally, if you are kind of like a business owner and you actually value design and not just anyhow person that just want to just design something for just a particular reason, if you are a designer and you are a Canva fan or a user, or a regular user, let me say, or YouTuber, content creator, or graphics designer, like, you will definitely be needing these tools on a daily basis, because I use Canva every day, right? So and I can understand this kind of people compared to someone that just want to design a birthday flyer for someone, and then I get that kind of person just need a Canva for that particular moment, and after that maybe in another month again or in another year before that person actually need to open the Canva again. So that kind of people are not people that I'm trying to like look up to work with or to make this kind of content or video for, right? So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to go about it, and without taking much of your time, I would also like you to see how much it costs to actually get a Canva Pro on the platform, right? So I'm gonna open that Canva Pro. So scrolling all the way down, we're gonna see how much it costs to actually get a Canva Pro. What All right, so you can see the yearly plan is 23,900 and the monthly plan is 2,800 naira. But then one of the problem which of course you might have is how you can actually pay for this particular Canva Pro. And if you are if it's not showing naira sign to you, maybe dollar sign, then at the end of the day you notice that it's actually way more higher than this particular price right here. But then I'm gonna show you how you can pay this exact amount for Canva Pro, and this exact amount in a year for Canva Pro as well, or maybe even less as well, because with this method it's gonna just work for you. And right, so let me show you how to go about it and the offer I actually bring out for you. And like I said, it's just for people that are actually interested in or using Canva for business, not just anyhow person who is also trying to use Canva for just a certain period of time. So, and you can also see all the features in Canva Pro, which of course I believe you already have and are aware about. That is the reason why you actually want to get the Canva Pro account. So here is a link to a seller profile, which of course you can have access to a Canva Pro all by yourself. You can see how to pay for Canva Pro by yourself in Nigeria, 100% working for everyone. And also, if you are in Nigeria but based in diaspora outside Nigeria, I believe it will also work for you, because there is a step-by-step process which of course I've put in place in this particular course, which of course I believe it's gonna help you out on this. And to show you that this is actually working, let me show you some screenshot. So you can see 2,800. This is this month payment, which is May. March, sorry, which is March. So another payment will happen on 13th of April 2025. As you can see, this is screenshot grabbed, and then this is the payment right on 14th of March 2025, and you can see this exact amount that was paid, which is 2,800 naira, right? So, and this is exactly how much is showing on the Canva website as well. So there is no lies or something like editing or anything on this particular one right here. So you can see 2,800 naira monthly for one person, and you can see this it's 2,800 naira for one person. So if you are in a group or you have someone that you also want to give access to, so is a thing whereby you have a Gmail, which of course you can actually share to that same person. So whether you are a team, so they have access to also use the email for themselves, right? So this is not actually a team account. So this is not a team account, right? So like I said, this is for business owners, and then let's say people that actually value designs. And if you want to go for the business one, which is the team one, you can also see for the team. So there's a free trial for the team one, and this is the price that you're gonna be paying. And if you also follow the same method I shared, you're still gonna be paying this same amount. So there is no lie, no anything right here. So for monthly, this is 2,200 naira team monthly, which is minimum of 3 people, which is 6,600 naira per month. So 3 people. So this is how much you're gonna be paying if you are going for the yearly plan for the team. Then this is for the yearly one, which is 66,000 naira, and you can also add people right here. Maybe you are 10 or you have 10 people in your team, so the amount will definitely add up. You can see right here, right? So that's exactly what I'm going to show you. And on this one, I'm going to provide a link if you are very much interested in this. So there is a video course after you purchase this particular course right here, which of course is going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to go about it. And I'm bringing this to you because it's actually on a lesser price right here. So instead of 12,000 naira thereabout, so you're going to be paying 9,999 naira if you jump on this before the price actually go up. So I believe this is like a good deal if you are like a business owner, because if you are trying to like purchase a link from some other people, so there's a chance that you keep losing your design from jumping from one profile to another, or maybe you are paying much more higher price than this. So I believe this will definitely help you and also reduce the cost you are trying to spend on using Canva Pro, right? So that is what I bring to you, and you can use the link in the description to get into this page and make a purchase on this particular Canva course right here. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to reply to your question. And thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.